Today we are going to demo value stream branching for nonlinear views, as well as other enhancements introduced in version 2.4. This is an example of a linear value stream. As you can see, each stage directly points to the next sequential stage, and there is only one starting and one ending stage. Unfortunately, this linear flow rarely ever happens within value streams. So to better represent VSM and particle movement, we need to incorporate multibranching. So as a lead developer or pipeline designer, I'm going to go ahead and update the workflow JSON. As you can see here, there is a new field called targets that is within the stage object. Targets is a field that denotes which stage or stages the current stage will point to. So let's say backlog with points is within the targets array of backlog. That means that backlog will point to the backlog with points stage. If this targets array is left empty, the default behavior is that backlog will automatically point to the next defined stage within the JSON. So in this case, backlog would point to incidents. Let's go ahead and update the targets. Let's say we want backlog to point to backlog with points. Let's have incidents point to production defects. Let's update these two stages to both point to in progress. All right, now that everything is updated here, let's go ahead and re-upload the workflow JSON. As you can see, the value stream has been updated. However, it is not exactly readable. So to solve this issue, let's start by creating a custom layout. Before we actually start moving the stages around on the page, let's zoom out to get a better view of the workflow as a whole. Now we can enable edit mode, and within edit mode, the stages become draggable. Once your ideal layout has been created, you can disable edit mode, and anytime anyone navigates to this value stream, they will see this custom layout. You may also notice that there is this eye icon. This eye icon allows you to expand and collapse stages within phases. So let's say you don't really care to see what is happening within backlog and incidents. You can hide this phase and it will show all of the stages consolidated into one phase circle. Let's also hide phase 2. And you can still access the particles within these stages by clicking on the phase. As you can see, the particles are grouped by the stages. This is a brief summary of the new features and enhancements that have been introduced in version 2.4.